If you see the authentication rejected error in TeamViewer, it means the login credentials or connection authorization failed. This can stop you from accessing the remote computer completely, but don't worry, there are a few simple fixes that usually solve this issue pretty quickly. First, double-check the password you're entering. TeamViewer generates a temporary password for each session, unless a permanent password is set, so make sure you're using the current password displayed on the remote device. Next, confirm that the TeamViewer ID you entered is correct. Even a small typo in the ID can lead to authentication errors when trying to connect. Another quick fix is restarting TeamViewer on both computers. Sometimes the app fails to refresh authentication data properly, which can cause login errors. If the issue continues, check whether both devices are running the latest version of TeamViewer. Using different or outdated versions can sometimes cause authentication problems. If you're connecting through a TeamViewer account, make sure you're signed in correctly. Logging out and signing back in can refresh your account authentication. To avoid authentication errors in the future, you can set a permanent password for the remote computer. This keeps the access credentials consistent across sessions. And that's it. One of these quick fixes usually resolves the TeamViewer authentication rejected error. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.